Long before humans existed, evolution began shaping our story in the forests of the Miocene. What followed was not a straight path, but a gradual shift in body, movement, and mind. Pierolapithecus catalaunicus appeared around 12 million years ago with an upright torso suited for climbing, not walking, the body plan that later defined great apes and humans. As forests dried, Ouranopithecus macedoniensis evolved strong jaws and thick enamel to survive tougher foods, remaining fully ape-like but close to the human-chimp split. Around 7.2 million years ago, Graecopithecus freybergi showed reduced canines, hinting at the earliest step toward the human line, though still mostly ape in form. In Africa, Sahelanthropus tchadensis marked the true beginning of the human lineage, with skull anatomy suggesting early upright posture before brain growth. Soon after, Orrorin tugenensis provided clear evidence that walking upright had already begun, even while life in trees continued. By 4.4 million years ago, Ardipithecus ramidus walked on two legs in forested environments, proving bipedalism did not arise on open grasslands. With Australopithecus afarensis, upright walking became habitual, yet the brain remained small, showing movement changed long before intelligence. Around 2.4 million years ago, Homo habilis introduced stone tools and a growing brain, linking hands, technology, and cognition. Then came Homo erectus, tall and long-legged, mastering fire and spreading beyond Africa as the first true global human. From this lineage, Homo heidelbergensis emerged, showing cooperation and advanced hunting, giving rise to later humans. In Ice Age Europe, Homo neanderthalensis adapted to extreme cold with strength, intelligence, and culture, before eventually disappearing. Finally, around 300,000 years ago, Homo sapiens evolved in Africa, defined by a true chin, symbolic thought, and culture, becoming the only human species to survive.